Welcome to Daily English Practice for You.
Once there was a boy named Rahul, who really wanted to speak fluent English. But there was one big problem. He could never remember vocabulary words. He would learn 10 words in the morning and forget 9 by evening. One day, while cleaning his room, he found an old empty notebook. He smiled and thought, "What if I turn this into my magic English notebook?" From the next day, he made a plan. Each day, he learned just 5 new words. He wrote them in his magic notebook like this. Word meaning in Hindi, one simple sentence. Like this. White right pointing backhand index excited, I am excited for the party. White right pointing backhand index lazy, don't be lazy, wake up early. Not only this, Rahul gave each word a little drawing or emoji beside it. For angry, he drew a red angry face pouting face. For happy, a big smiley smiling face with open mouth and smiling eyes. To remember better, he did 3 magical things every day. 1. Spoke the words aloud like a song, multiple musical notes. 2. Used them in his real life. Mummy, I'm hungry became Mummy, I'm starving. 3. And every Sunday, he would revise all words with a cup of tea, hot beverage. Weeks passed, and guess what? Rahul started using new words in class. His teacher said, "Rahul, your vocabulary is improving." His friends were shocked. "How do you remember so many words?" He smiled and said, "It's my magic notebook and daily practice." From that day, Rahul became a vocabulary hero. All because of one simple trick, small daily effort with a fun twist. Moral: if you want to remember vocabulary words, learn a few every day. Write them with meaning and sentence. Speak, use, and revise regularly. Make it fun, use drawings, emojis, or games.